Hi everyone, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. This is Aishwarya. In this video, we'll be showing you all budget-friendly collections ranging from 690 to 850. All are very beautiful collections, and if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyadthecottonhouse.com. Or else, if you have any issues in placing the order, please ping us in WhatsApp, which is 9176641794. So without any delays, let me start showing you the items. So the first one is a cotton item. Okay, so this is the first item. It's a very beautiful parrot green color, pure cotton top. This is okay. So this is how the top will be. You will be getting a very beautiful work in the yoke portion. Okay, the fabric will be very good. It's a soft cotton top. Okay. So this is how the top looks. It's a parrot green color cotton top, and you will be getting a plain cotton bottom with this. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Very beautiful item and very beautiful color also this is. And you will be getting a printed chiffon dupatta with this. Okay, you will be getting a very minute prints all over the dupatta. Okay, and also you will be getting a lace work on all the four sides. Okay, so this is how the set looks. Very lengthy dupatta also this is. Okay, it's a parrot green color soft cotton top with the same color plain cotton bottom, and you will be getting a printed chiffon dupatta priced only for 850 with free shipping. In this we have got three colors. So this is the first color. It's a light parrot green color. Okay. So the next one is a pink color, light pink color this is. Okay. So this is how the top looks. Very beautiful color this is. You will be getting a very beautiful work in the yoke portion, and the full top has got a printed pattern, and this set comes with a plain cotton bottom. Okay, so this is how the set looks. It's a pink colored soft cotton top, and you will be getting a same color completely printed chiffon dupatta, very lengthy dupatta you will be getting with this, and the price of the set is 850 with free shipping. So the next is light blue. Okay, so this is a light blue colored cotton top. You will be getting work only in the yoke portion, remaining everything will be printed pattern. Okay, very lengthy fabric also this is. No need to worry on the measurements, and you will be getting a same colored plain cotton bottom with this, and this comes with the printed chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is how the dupatta looks. The full dupatta has got a printed pattern. It's a chiffon dupatta, very lengthy dupatta this is. Okay, and the price of the set is 850 with free shipping. Totally we have got three colors in this. One is light parrot green, light baby pink, and you'll be getting light blue. It's a cotton top with a cotton bottom and a plain chiffon, printed chiffon dupatta, priced only for 850 with free shipping. Now let's move on to the next item. Next item is a silk cotton fabric. Okay, it's a light cream colored silk cotton top. You will be getting a very beautiful patchwork in the yoke portion. Okay, remaining everything will be plain. Only the yoke portion you will be getting the patchwork. So this is how the top look, and also you will be getting a patchwork in the daman as well. Okay, so this is how the top look. It's a light cream color soft silk cotton top, and you will be getting a dark grey colored plain cotton bottom with this. Okay, so this is how the set looks, and this set comes with a very beautiful dupatta, dark grey colored chiffon dupatta you will be getting with this, with a very beautiful thread embroidery work, golden thread embroidery work you will be getting all over the dupatta. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this is also very lengthy dupatta. Okay, very lengthy dupatta this is. It's a soft silk cotton top with a beautiful patchwork in the yoke portion and in the daman, and you will be getting a contrast plain cotton bottom and a contrast chiffon dupatta, priced only for 690 with free shipping. We have got three colors in this. So this is the next color. It's a dark navy blue. Okay, it's a dark navy blue color top. Very beautiful color combination. This is dark navy blue with light blue color combination. So this is the bottom you will be getting, plain cotton bottom. So this one is also very lengthy fabric. Okay, and this comes with a contrast chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is the dupatta you will be getting with this, with a complete thread embroidery work, and this is priced only for 690 with free shipping. So the next is green with blue color combination. Okay, so this is how the top will be. It's a soft silk cotton top, green color top with the blue color combination, and you will be getting a contrast plain cotton bottom with this. Okay, very beautiful and a very bright combination. Looks very good only when you stitch and wear it. And this is the dupatta. You will be getting a contrast dupatta with this. Okay, So this is how the dupatta will be. You will be getting a completely embroidered golden thread embroidery. You will be getting with this. So the price of the set is 690 with free shipping. It's a silk cotton top with a patchwork in the yoke portion and also in the daman, and you will be getting a contrast plain cotton bottom and a completely embroidered chiffon dupatta priced only for 690 with free shipping. Now let's move on to the next item. Next item is again a very beautiful cotton top. Okay, so this is a cream colored cotton top with a very beautiful embroidery work. All these are complete embroidery. Okay, machine embroidered dupatta. The full top has got embroidered work, and also in the daman also you will be getting a very simple embroidery. Okay, so this is how the top looks. The full top has got an embroidered pattern. Okay, so this is how the top looks. Very beautiful and a very pretty item this is, and also this is a very lengthy fabric also. I hope you could see this. Okay, the back portion will be plain. Okay, only in the front portion you will be getting the embroidery, and this comes with a completely hand brush painted cotton dupatta. The full dupatta has got a hand brush painted, and you will be getting a thread woven borders on both the sides, and this comes with a contrast cotton bottom. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 750 with free shipping. Very beautiful and a very pretty item. This is not white color, it's a cream colored pure cotton top with a complete embroidered pattern, and you will be getting a hand brush painted cotton dupatta and a contrast cotton bottom priced only for 750 with free shipping. Okay, so this is a single color item. We don't have colors in this. Now let's move on to the next item. Next item is also a cream color item. Okay, so this is how the top looks. You will be getting foil mirror works in the yoke portion, and also you will be getting an embroidered pattern as well. Okay, the full top is plain, and also you will be getting a simple patchwork in the daman also. So this is how the top looks. So this is also a soft silk cotton fabric. It has got a very beautiful patchwork, and this set comes with a very beautiful chiffon dupatta. Okay, so this is the dupatta you will be getting, completely digital printed dupatta with the patchwork on all the four sides. Okay, and comes with a contrast bottom. Okay, so this is how the set look. It's a soft silk cotton top with a very beautiful patchwork in the yoke portion, and you will be getting a completely digital printed chiffon dupatta and a contrast cotton bottom priced only for 690 with free shipping. We have got one more color in this. This is a kind of a light yellow color, orangish yellow this is, and the next one is light pista green. Okay, so this is how the embroidery will be. You will be getting embroidered motifs and also foil mirror works all over the yoke portion. So this is how the top will be. It's a soft silk cotton fabric, and you will be getting a chiffon dupatta, completely digital printed chiffon dupatta with a patchwork on all the four sides. So this one is also very lengthy dupatta. Okay, very lengthy dupatta this is, and you will be getting a contrast cotton bottom with this. Okay, so this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 690 with free shipping, so don't miss it. And we have got one more item also today. So that's a black color. Okay, so this is a black color top. So this is also a soft silk cotton fabric with a very beautiful embroidery work. The full top has got a embroidered pattern. Okay, so this is how the set will be. It's a black color top. You will be getting an embroidered pattern in the yoke portion, and also you will be getting a simple embroidery pattern in the daman also. Okay, so this is how the set looks, and you will be getting a plain cotton bottom with this. Okay, and this has got a very beautiful dupatta. It's a beige color cotton dupatta with a complete thread woven patterns. Okay, so this is how the dupatta will be. Very lengthy dupatta also this is. Okay, very lengthy dupatta this is. It's a soft silk cotton top with the embroidered pattern only in the yoke portion, and you will be getting a plain cotton bottom and a contrast cotton dupatta priced only for 690 with free shipping. We have got one more design in this also. Okay, so this is one design, and we have other design also. Okay, so this is the next design. Everything will be same, just the embroidered pattern alone will varies. Okay, you will be getting fancy buttons in this also, and all these are complete embroidery, not printed work. All these are complete embroidered pattern. Okay, so this is how the top looks, and you will be getting a beige color, light beige color cotton dupatta with this. Okay, this is the dupatta, and you will be getting a same colored cotton bottom. Okay, So this is how the set looks. So this set is priced only for 690 with free shipping. Very, very beautiful and very elegant item this is. It's a soft silk cotton top with a completely thread woven cotton dupatta and the same color cotton bottom, priced only for 690 with free shipping. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope everyone liked the collections, whatever I've shown you. All are very budget friendly priced items, so you all will definitely like it. So if you like to book any of the item, kindly do log into our website, which is www.shriyathecottonhouse.com, or else take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Both our website address and our WhatsApp number is given in the description box, so kindly do check it. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with our page. Bye bye all.